Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can share any announcements on your social media account automatically. So guys, with the help of this automation, you just have to add the details of any announcement that you want to make in a spreadsheet in Google Sheets application. And after that, a poster or an image will be created out of Switchboard Canvas application automatically for that announcement, and it will be shared on your Instagram account and Facebook account or any social media account automatically. And guys, you can set up this automation super simply without any coding. So let's begin. So we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool to set up this automation, and this is the landing page of Pabbly. And I have pasted this same link in the description as well. So from here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up this automation. So you can just sign up right now for free and you can follow me through the video and you can create your first workflow right now. Okay, so sign up and sign in to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here. And guys, from here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up the automation workflow. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflow as well. So here I'm giving the name. Okay. After giving the name, just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And on this page, guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So our automations are based on these two things. So trigger starts this workflow and action will make Pabbly Connect perform any action. Okay. So trigger, guys, happens in an application and action happens in another application. Okay. So in our use case, guys, here you can see we are sharing announcements on social media and the details of announcements I'm adding in my spreadsheet here in my Google Sheets application. And guys, I am announcing employee of the month. Okay, this is the announcement I want to make. You can make any other announcement as well. So to announce employee of the month, I am just going to add the details of the employee here like this. Here I am adding the name of the employee, the image of the employee that I have saved in Dropbox. I have a database of my employees in Dropbox. So I'm just adding the link of the Dropbox here. If you have the database at any other place, you can use that link here. Okay. And here I'm adding the designation of the employee, right? And adding of the detail here is going to act as a trigger for this workflow. So here you have to choose Google Sheets application as the trigger application, and adding of a new row here will act as a trigger event. So here is new row option, select this. And it will give you this URL. So this is called as a webhook URL. And with the help of this URL, we are going to create a connection with our Google Sheets so that every time you add the details here, the workflow is going to trigger. And to make the connection, you need to follow these steps written here. So you can read these steps and follow it. Let me show you directly how you can create these connections. So this is my Google Sheet and I have opened it in an incognito mode because I'm using multiple Google accounts in the same browser. So if you are also doing that, it is better to open your spreadsheet in separate incognito window to make the connection properly. Right. And guys, here you have to click on extensions and from the add-ons menu, click on get add-ons. And from the Google Workspace Marketplace window, you have to install an add-on here, which is called Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So you have to search for Pabbly, that is Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and you have to install it here. Okay. And after installing this, you have to refresh your spreadsheet. This is an important step. And as you refresh the spreadsheet, after that, when you click on extensions, you will find the Pabbly Connect Webhooks add-on option available here in the drop-down. And from here, you have to click on this initial setup. Under initial setup, you will find these two fields, the webhook URL field and the trigger column. So let me erase these fields. Okay. And here, guys, you have to paste the webhook URL that you got from your workflow. And in the trigger column, you have to enter the final data entry column of your workflow, of your spreadsheet. Final data column means the column on which entering the data workflow is going to trigger. Okay, so here you can see I have these three columns A, B, and C, and I'm going to start filling the data from column A, then B, then C. And as I'm going to enter this data here in the C column, the workflow is going to trigger. So C column is our trigger column, right? So first of all, let me copy the webhook URL. So let me just click on copy here. Okay. And let me go back to my spreadsheet. Click on extensions, initial setup. And here let me paste this URL. Let me just erase this previously pasted URL and paste a new one. Trigger column is the C column, and here you can see in my spreadsheet, guys, as I have copied this webhook URL, here it started showing waiting for the webhook connections response. So this means now you have to perform some test submission. Test submission means we need to bring some test data from our spreadsheet to here in this workflow, and with the help of that data we are going to move forward in this automation. Okay, so to bring the data here, you need to open the initial setup like this, and here you can see we have this send test button. So when you click on send test, the data of the first row that you have in your spreadsheet will be sent as the test data. So here you can see test data sent successfully is showing up here. Let's check in the workflow if we got the data captured. And here you can see, guys, we got the data captured, and it is showing the spreadsheet's name, the sheet ID, sheet's name, okay, the row index, and here you can see employee's name is here, employee's image is here, and the designation is here. So we got the data captured. Now you can go back to the spreadsheet, and from this initial setup, click on submit and close this. And you have to do one thing more here. Click on extensions, and from this Pabbly Connect webhooks option, check this send on event option as well. So when you select this and send on event, whenever you are going to add any new row, the workflow is going to trigger, right? So now we are done making this connection, and here, guys, let us come to the section step. So after getting the details of the employee, we want to create an image, a poster kind of image to make this announcement. And to create that image, we are using Switchboard Canvas application. Here is Switchboard Canvas. So let me just select this application here. All right, and the action event would be create image. Then click on connect. From here, select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API key of Switchboard Canvas. So you'll find the key from the template section of Switchboard Canvas. Let me show you the templates page. And under the templates page, you can see we have this view your API key button on the top right. Let me just refresh this page. Okay, here you can see. So click on this view your API key button, and here you can see we have this post type key. So we need this post type key. Just copy this and paste it here. And then click on save, and you'll be connected with Switchboard Canvas. Okay. And here you can see, guys, it is asking for the template's name. So to create images out of Switchboard Canvas, you need to create a template first to create the images automatically. So I have created an image template for announcement, which is here. You can see employee of the month is the name of this template. And let me open this. And in this template, you can see we have this image element. And in this image element, I am going to place the image of the employee. And in this text box, I want to place the name of the employee, and here in this text box I want to place the designation of the employee. Okay, so first of all, select this name, employee of the month, and here you can see it started asking for the width and the height of the image, the format of the image, and these things. The employee name field is here, designation is here, employee image is here. So these are the variable things that are showing up here. And to get this data appear here in this image, we need to map the values of these fields here in the workflow. Okay. So first of all, let me enter the width and the height details. You'll get the details from Switchboard Canvas only. When you select this whole thing, on the right hand side, you will find the width and the height. So you just place the same data here like this. Then you can select the format of the image, PNG or JPEG, whatever you want. I'm selecting PNG only. Here you can see we have this announce field. So this field is the name of this whole background image. Okay. So if you want to change the background image, you can do that. But right now I do not have the background image. I want to keep the background image same. So I'm not going to place anything here. I'm just going to place the things, the employee name, the designation, and the employee image. So you'll get the data of these three things from the previous step, the Google Sheets step. Here you can see. we have the things from our spreadsheet, and I'm going to map these labels I have received on these fields. So to map the data, you just have to click here on this field like this, and from the Google Sheets tab will appear here in the drop down only, and from here you can see all the data. So from here, map the employee name like this. Similarly, do with designation and the employee's image. Okay, so I have placed all the things, but let me tell you one thing. This is the link of the Dropbox. Okay, this is the Dropbox sharing link, and if you map this link directly, it will not show up on Switchboard Campus template. Okay, so here is a trick I'm telling you to place this image on the templates of Switchboard Campus canvas. After mapping this, you have to add one thing more here. Just put the and sign and type raw equals to 1. Just do this. Okay, so it will be placed on your Switchboard Canvas template. Okay, so I have tried this earlier before making this video, and this is the loophole I found. So when you map this, you just have to place this and raw equal to 1 after this link, and it will be placed. So click on save and send test request button, and a new image will be created out of the template in front of you right now. You can see, guys, we got this sizes 0 URL label, and here a new image is created. Let me open this image for you. All right, and here you can see, guys, on the same template, in this same template, the data got placed, the things got placed. Here is the employee's image, here is the employee's name, here is the employee's designation. Okay, so we have created a poster. Now we can share this on Facebook or Instagram, on LinkedIn or Twitter or anywhere you want. So first of all, let me show you how it is going to be shared on Facebook pages. So I'm selecting Facebook pages here in the actions tab. Okay, and in the action event, so I'm selecting create page photo option, then click on connect. From here, select add new connection, then click on connect with Facebook pages. From here, it might ask you to log in, but I have already logged in, so it is just asking me to continue. So I'm continuing on my name, and here you can see we are getting connected. Right, and here it is asking for the page's name. So the name of my page is Pabbly. Okay, so I'm going to select the name from the given list, and here it is asking for the photo URL. So just map the photo URL that you got generated from Switchboard Canvas like this. And here you can provide a description as well. So I'm providing the description as employee of the month. All right. And now let's test the connection with Facebook. I'm clicking on save and send test request button, and let's see if we got a new post created on this page or not. All right, so you can see the response, a new post ID has been generated. Now let me refresh my Facebook page to see the new post. All right, and here you can see, guys, a new post is created just now, and it is showing the caption employee of the month, and this is the same image that got created using Switchboard Canvas is posted on my Facebook. Similarly, you can create another action step for Instagram. Okay, so I'm showing you the demo of 2 social media accounts. You can connect with Twitter or LinkedIn as well. And the action event I'm going to create here is publish photo. Okay, this is my Instagram account, guys, right? So I'm clicking on connect. From here, select add new connection, then click on connect with Instagram for business. And you can see as I'm logged in, it got connected like this. Okay, and here it is asking for the account's name. So name of my account is Joe, you can see, and here it is. Now let me map the photo URL from the same Switchboard Canvas tab. Let me type the caption as employee of the month again. Okay, and let's see, I am clicking on save and send test request. Here you can see these are the posts we have right now. Let me click on save and send test request here. All right, so these IDs are created. Let's check in our Instagram. Let me refresh my profile. All right, and here we got a new post created, and this is the same post. This is the same image. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation. So if you want to connect with any other social media account, just click here on this plus icon, and from this choose app, search for LinkedIn, and you will find LinkedIn here like this. And if you want to share it on Twitter, search for Twitter and you'll find Twitter here like this. Okay, so you can add more action steps. I'm deleting this. Okay, so we are done here, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in this workflow. After that, whenever you want to announce employee of the month or any other announcement, you just have to add the details of the announcement here in this spreadsheet, and the image will be created and will be shared on all your social media accounts automatically without any manual effort, right? And guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.